What are y'all doing to this one?
This one is getting the full package. So it got tinted the first day it was here. Yesterday got paint corrected, so compound and polished the whole car. That's why it looks so shiny. Now we're gonna fully wrap this with XPEL Ultimate Plus. So every inch of this car is gonna be protected against rock chips and light scratches. Come on, go.
Wow.
What? Peace right here. You mean kill him when they're sleeping?
What you think of the Rivian?
I love them. I like the styling. The mileage is on par. I like the interior and exterior, but not everybody does.
What are you gonna do to this one?
We've already done a full front on this one.
Okay.
We're going over it. We've already gone over it. We're just washing it to deliver at this point.
Oh, nice. Pretty easy truck to PPF?
It was pretty straightforward. Nothing real complicated. What do you think, Rolando? Pretty easy car.
Yeah. Any car sees your things.
Oh, yeah. Do you ever get nervous putting these cars up on the ramps?
Every time with an exotic or supercar or something like that.
Yeah.
They almost all have a launch mode. And if you get them, if you start rolling back and go forward and back and forward, it tries to go in a launch mode. So you have to find a happy medium. Sometimes you gotta quit.
Thank you. Hey, we're on TV. I didn't even know. Yesterday was Chuy's birthday. Everybody's a happy birthday.
Chuy. Happy birthday, Chuy.
Thank you, thank you.
Hey guys, we are going over to Terrell, Texas. Randy's out there tinting the house. Clear View Alloy 40. That's XPEL's Vision film. It blocks 88% of the infrared heat, 99% of the harmful UV rays. We're about to go see what he's doing. Follow us. So we're here. We made it. Let's go see what's going on. What? One of our customers moved a job like 2 months out further too. And you know, I'm just used to having the week booked. So the week came and I totally forgot that we didn't fill 2 days that week. So yeah, I definitely went into like straight urgency mode to get him some work. And actually, we got it filled up.
What'd you end up doing?
Did a custom frost installation in an apartment building in their office.
Oh, nice.
I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is one of the jobs we did at office. We were able to do like custom frost with the custom design to make it look real nice at like an apartment building leasing office. So looks pretty cool.
Enjoying his.
We're doing really well. One of the best things about this film is that when you put it on the glass, when people think about tint, they think about making their house dark and not letting in light. This film actually looks really natural, like it's not tinted at all, but you're not getting the harmful UV rays and the heat and the solar spectrum that fades your interior, things like that, while having a really nice looking film that you almost can't tell is on there, and it saves you energy. It's priceless.
Sounds like it.
Hey Robert, so what's in your pouch?
Oh man, I've got, of course, a red dot, a marker for film, a Mike Norm squeegee, got an 8 Duo firm, and soft and firm fusion squeegees. I keep a small, really soft black fusion squeegee, a dirt pick, and a micro torch for edges.
What would you say is your most used tool?
Probably with the PPF pouch would be this Mike Norm squeegee.
How come?
It's extremely versatile. If I need to, I can bend it and really get down in edges. You can clean, you can install, you can push, you can pull, and it's really easy on your hands.
Nice.
Have this area right here to squeegee. It's best just to run your finger like this, right down that little valley right there, and boom, it stays. Now you squeegee. Way to do it like this. That's tip 349.
Happy birthday, dear Chuy. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
So David, how do you provide value to your customers?
Yeah, I love that question actually. The main thing and the most important thing that I didn't understand years ago was you have to take care of your employees. If you take care of your employees, they'll take care of your customers. So that's super important. The other thing is you have to have people that work for you that align with your core values. Up here are guys like James and Jason, Anthony, George, and even the guys in the back. They hate it when a customer's disappointed, and so we just want to keep customers really happy. We don't like the feeling of having to tell a customer something's wrong or maybe the job we didn't do wasn't to the right standard, so they weren't happy. We do not like that. So we do everything we can to consistently get better. And we have a trainer come out for the guys who are improving. But we've got guys who are really top notch, but you've always got people who need to get better. So we're training every few months. We're doing all these things. We add value to your car that you may not even know that are standard when we do a tint job or a paint protection job. When we might take the film up to the edge a little higher and file it at no charge. So our work actually exceeds your expectations, and you don't even know what the expectations might be. But when you look at someone else's tint job, you'll be like, wow, that looks so much better, you know, what I have than what you got at the other place. Same with the paint protection film. We're going to try to go a little bit further, wrap the edges that are able to be wrapped. We have a procedure that we showed in the last video where we just added, where we have like a checklist with 10 things on it to go over before we deliver the car. And every week we realize we missed something on the checklist and we're adding to that. So we don't like to disappoint customers. Obviously you got to make your skills better in everything you do, and you got to take care of your people. That's number one. Take care of your people take care of your customers and your business. So that's my answer, guys. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you next week.